Hello class, I want to just quickly show you how to get in and start these vision boards. I'm not going to go into the actual criteria of them because you guys are capable of reading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you how to get it copied into your Google Drive so that you can get started. All right, so the first thing you want to do is click on the vision board here. What you'll see is a presentation, okay, all about the vision boards and your visions for the future. If you keep going all the way to the end, or towards the end, this is what your vision board template is going to look like that we have provided you. Okay, and the things that you need to put on that board. This is just a very quick example of mine. You guys can take a closer look at it. And then, as you can see, you have three options to do it. You can do the Jamboard, which is the one that we're going to recommend, the Google Slides, or on Canva. Either and any option is just fine. Okay, but we have made for you the Jamboard so that you can take a look at how to set it up. Okay, the template is here, so you can click here in the presentation or down here outside the presentation. Either one will actually get you to where we want to go. You're going to click on the link. It's going to bring up this screen. It's going to ask you to copy the document. You click Make a Copy, and it will bring up our screen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so as you can see, there are four categories: your name in the middle, your picture in the middle, and you're going to put two different things for each category. So these can be a picture or these can be a quote. All right, so let's look at the goals for the future, okay? So I'm going to add an image here. All right, and what you're going to do is you can choose any of these things up here: upload, Google image search, you can search your Google Drive, whatever. So I'm going to do Google image search. So my vision of the future is that I am going to be Batman. And so I'm going to choose Batman picture, and I'm going to resize it. I'm going to put it under my goals for the future. Okay, you can also put quotes in, as we said. So if you want to put a quote that doesn't involve actually getting a picture, you can use one of those sticky notes. You type your quote in there, the sticky note will appear, and you can resize it as well. All right, so once again, very quickly, you can click either of these links. It's going to ask you to make a copy of the document, and then you can get started very, very easily. Once you have it all done, you're going to upload it from your Google Drive, pretty much. If you do either of these two, you can upload it from the Google Drive, and you'll have a place in this area for, as it says, submitting. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Have a good one.